Namaste everyone, you are watching Art and Fun with me. Today we are going to learn word feeder for which I am going to use here empty bottle of Lysol. So let's get started. I am using here black marker to make a triangular shape. You can use a scale. I am making it freehand here. Now I will make a door like shape here. After that I am going to use here knife for cutting it. I'm going to share with you a tip that first heat knife in the flame of anything like gas or candle light, and if you are a kid then please cut it in presence of your elders or take help of them. Now I am taking ice cream sticks. Now I have taken a small piece of cardboard here and folded it from the center so that I can give it a roof like shape, which I am going to use in making of bird feeder. Now I have taken here some colorful popsicle stick or ice cream stick. If you don't have colorful, you can use this plain one and just color them. Now we will color it with the help of acrylic colors, light green and lemon yellow. Now mix it well. Now I have taken here a round object to give a round shape. Now cut it and I am going to fold it from the side so that I can give it a shape of plate. Hey dear friends, in keeping view of lockdown time, I have used here all the waste material which is easily available at our home. I have used here waste cardboard for making plates and using here empty bottle of Lysol which is just a waste. So I have tried here to give you the material which is around us and we don't need to buy it from outside. Now I have pasted masking tape around it so that I can make it firm. But if you don't have masking tape, you can use the plain paper and paste it with the help of glue. Now mark both the side and with a hot object we will cut both the side, and I am inserting here 2 ice cream sticks because I don't have a long object here. So I will tie it from the middle with the help of rubber band like that. So follow the process. Now I am coloring it with the help of white acrylic color to giving outline to the door and also making 2 windows here. Now with the help of red color I am trying to give here flowers pattern. Also I am using here little bit of orange. Now we will color the homemade plate with the help of light blue color. Now after drying I have made here 3 holes with the help of this pin and also 3 holes here and inserted wire so that we can connect both of them. I will also use here Fevicol, but with the wire we can connect it with very firm. If you don't have wire you can use any Fevikwik or Fevicol. You can skip this step. Now I am applying here glue. Now press it well. Now make 2 holes and I have inserted here a string so that we can hang it. Tie it like this. Now make a hole with the help of pin and insert the thread here. And after that our bird feeder is ready. I have also inserted here some beads. This is completely optional. I have added it to look fancy. Now I have some grains. This is a bajra. Now it's ready for birds. I hope you have liked this tutorial. I have also used some latkans here. You can add this for look it fancy. Do subscribe and share with your friends and family.